Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to edit with only a Photoshop. So now Photoshop is not only able to be accessed by personal computer or laptop, but then Photoshop can be accessed by your mobile phone, so you can edit your photo anywhere and anytime. So you can see this is the application of Photoshop on your mobile. So if you have no this application, you just need to go into the App Store and get this application installed on your phone. And to edit with only Photoshop, you just need to go click this application to open it, and after that this is the look whenever you already open your Photoshop. And to start editing, it just depends to you what type that you want to edit. Do you want to edit the photo or video? Because the Photoshop can do both. So here I would like to show you the way how to edit the photo first. So you just need to go click this photo editor here, and then the photo the Photoshop will be bring you into the photo collection on your phone, and you just need to find out the photo that you want to edit. Okay, so I will let you use for my Pinterest collection, and here is some picture that I would that I can choose, and now I think I would like to do it this part. And after you click and choosing the photo that you want to edit, now you already have the project. So you can see in the upper or top corner here is the tools to save or to do automatic editing or auto enhance here. But if you don't want to do auto, you just need to go back or undo it, and you can exploring all of the features that provided by the Photoshop down here. Slide the features into the left side to explore the feature. So what I want to show to you for today, I think I would like to show you the way how to do a fast editing by using filters, because there are a lot of filters that are already provided by the Photoshop, so you can just choose. So I will suggest you to choosing the features that have no symbol of this, because this probably will be it's not free. You need to upgrade and do the payment kind of things. So just if you want to get the free, go for example for the HDR, and here you can have a lot of HDR style that you can apply or you can use for your picture. Okay, let's say do it HDR2. You can see the difference. This is the original photo, and this after you applying the filters. You can see the difference. So whenever you satisfied with the result, now you can just take a look on this upper right here and go click this button to save your photo into your library, and your photo is already edited with the Photoshop instantly. So that's the way how to edit with only Photoshop on your mobile phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.